Hi everyone, Kyle here and I'm Iowa's photographer, and welcome to The Perfect Weekend in Iowa, a series where I go explore a town in Iowa and show you all the fun you can get up to so you can better plan your next adventure and do a fun staycation right here in Iowa. And today we're in the Amana Colonies. It's now time for breakfast and we're going to stop into the Amana Colonies Bakery and Cafe. Let's walk inside and see what they have on the menu. Stepping into the bakery, you're greeted with the smell of fresh and delicious baked goods. Glancing at their selection at the counter, customers are met with a wide selection of delicious treats. When I asked the staff what was the most popular item, they said the crispy. When paired with a cup of coffee, it is a great way to start the day. If you're in the mood for a more hearty breakfast, stop by the Ronnenberg restaurant. Whether you stop in for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, you'll always leave happy and satisfied with an authentic German meal. Now it's time for a fun activity, and I can think of no other better location to start with than right here at the Amana Colonies Golf Club. Nestled among eastern Iowa's rolling hills, the Amana Colony Golf Club is a picturesque 18-hole golf course with an amazing view, especially during the fall season. This is one of Iowa's highest ranked golf courses, voted by Golf Digest and Golf Magazine. If you're a golfer, you know that it doesn't get any better than this, especially on a warm autumn day. Working up an appetite, it's time for lunch, and I can think of no better place than the Millstream Brauhaus. This is hands down one of my favorite restaurants in the Amana Colonies. I was able to sit down with Nathan, the owner, to discuss what are some of the most popular items on the menu.
We do a fantastic Reuben here. So I mean, obviously German restaurant, we're gonna hit that Reuben, and you can't have a German menu without that sauerkraut on there. Our Reuben is fantastic. The schnitzel is probably the most popular item. And we do some amazing burgers here, a little outside the box. Wiebold Wobble Reuben burger. If you can't decide between the Reuben or the burger, we put them both together. So we do a lot of really neat stuff here, and we just try to take care of you, and paired with some fantastic beer. So you really can't go wrong with that.
Based off of Nathan's suggestions, we have an incredible spread. We have the pork schnitzel sandwich with home fries. We have a fun reimagining of a classic, the Reuben egg roll. This is a house-made egg roll filled with traditional Reuben toppings, served with a Thousand Island dressing. We have their famous giant soft pretzel, served with their beer cheese sauce. And last but not least, we have the classic Reuben. This all looks incredible, so I'm excited to dig in. Getting started, I dug into the pork schnitzel sandwich. The herb-breaded pork was perfectly seasoned and worked well with the toasted pretzel bun. The German home fries were phenomenal. With Parmesan cheese and bacon, I could have easily made this my meal and been extremely happy. Up next, I tried the Reuben. This is an oldie but a goodie for many restaurants here in Iowa. And as you can already guess, Millstream Brauhaus chefs knocked this one out of the park too. Nathan's next suggestion were two of his favorite appetizers, the Reuben egg roll and the giant soft pretzel. Luckily, my cameraman was helping me out eating all this food, and he said that his favorite items were the pretzel with beer cheese dip, the home fries, and the pork schnitzel sandwich. It's now the middle of the day, and I think it's time to do a little shopping. When walking on the main road, you'll find a great variety of shops that you can stop into, like the Amana General Store. Once inside, you'll see an assortment of unique items that were handcrafted in Amana. If you're looking for a fun, old-timey shop where you can find some home decor items or local treats, then you must stop in the Amana General Store. Our next stop is the Chocolate House. If you're craving a little chocolate, they have you covered. If you have a sweet tooth, this is the perfect place to visit in all of Amana. want to take a second to shout out my cameraman Mike with Top Shelf Productions. You should follow him on Facebook and Instagram at Top Shelf Productions IA. I just stopped into the Amana Colonies Popcorn and Ice Cream Company. This is such a fun and unique shop right here in Amana. It has so many tasty treats. It has classic flavors like the kettle corn. It also has fun and unique flavors like this one, Victoria's Crazy Confetti. I hear it is really delicious. You gotta check it out yourself. Now they just reopened from a fire they had last December. I highly recommend stopping in and grabbing a delicious treat and welcoming them back to the Amana Colonies. If you're a history buff, then you will love spending part of your day visiting some of Amana's historical sites. There are 7 villages in total, and at each location you will find churches, buildings, and museums. Absolute must-visit location is at the High Amana General Store. The store's exterior and interior have remained virtually unchanged. The original tin ceiling and wooden floors remain. Walking through the store, it is easy for everyone to find something that would bring a smile to their face. If you love the outdoors like me, then you will absolutely love hiking the trails around the lily pond. This is the perfect location for bikers, walkers, runners, and in the summertime, it's the best location for bird watchers. In the summertime, the lily pond has amazing vibrant colors, making this location one of the best reasons to visit Amana. In the fall, the fields across the pond gives you a classic Iowa landscape. If you're a photographer like me, I highly recommend visiting, so you can snap a few photos of the hay bales in the field. Wrapping up the day, it's time to get a delicious beverage from the Millstream Brewing Company. I was able to sit down with Susan, one of the owners, to talk about what makes this brewery a fan favorite for so many Iowans.
So we have 22 taps, always have our amazing root beer on tap, but then we have dozens of other beers. We have a new beer on tap every Wednesday, so kind of fun. We doubled our staff, and our brewers and assistant brewers are just having a ball making pilot batches every Wednesday of just some fun stuff to enjoy. Millstream Brewing Company had amazing beer to begin with. We have a World Beer Cup Gold Award winner. We have dozens and dozens of awards, but we have, as my husband likes to say, put it on steroids. And so to have them come in and enjoy our brand new beer is just so fun. We work hard to incorporate not only the Amana history, but just the people history of Iowa. So a lot of our labels have black and white photos on them from the 1920s, 1930s of Amana. And so we not only have delicious beer to taste, but also a bit of history that people can enjoy and learn from as well.
I have an incredible lineup in front of me with clever names like Farmer's Tan, Unicorn Fight Club, Adult Nap Time, Pants Off Dance Off, and their award-winning Chilled Brow Amber. I'm looking forward to drinking this one the most. And like that, we are done here at the Amana Colonies. If you have a recommendation on where I should travel to next, please leave a comment down below. Anyways, I've been Kyle, and I am Iowa's photographer. Thanks for watching.